To alarm, to ring the alarm bell, like the notification bell you have down below here, to alarm, alarmar, alarmar. Hay una emergencia, hay que alarmar a todo el mundo. There is an emergency, we should alarm, alert everybody. Alarmar. To feed, to provide food for, to give food to something or somebody, or to yourself. Alimentar. Alimentar. Los alimentos me alimentan. To relieve. To relieve. Aliviar. Aliviar. If you got sunburn, put yogurt on your skin. It will relieve you. Si te has quemado con el sol, ponte yogurt por la piel. Eso te va a aliviar. Aliviar. To store. To put your stuff, like in a basement or in a storage facility. To store things. Almacenar. Almacenar. I have a lot of stuff. I should store it. Tengo un montón de cosas. Debería almacenarlas. Vamos a almacenar. The storage room is el almacén. Ajá. To lodge. To provide shelter for. To be in an hotel or a hostel. Alojar. Alojar. When I was on the street, my friends lodged me. Thanks, guys. Cuando estaba en la calle, mis amigos me han alojado. Me van a alojar. To rent something. Alquilar. Alquilar. We are going to rent a car in Barcelona. Vamos a alquilar un coche en Barcelona. To love. Amar. Amar. I love Cristina. Yo amo a Cristina. Amar. You also have querer, but this is the AR list, part 2 of more than 2. To annul. To cancel. Anular. Easy one, right? Anular. Your flight has been cancelled. Whoop-de-doo. Su vuelo se ha anulado. Or cancelado. So you have anular and cancelar. And then we are going to announce. Announce. Anunciar. Anunciar. I announce. I don't really know. Yo anuncio. No sé qué. Anunciar. To separate or to get out of the way, to part, to move something out of somewhere. To put it apart, apartar. Apartar. Please move out of the way. Por favor, Apártate.